shit, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? Come on, Southside. Niggas make that money, make that Northside. Niggas make that money, make that Eastside. Niggas make that money, make that Westside. Niggas make that money, make that. If life and legacy's my destiny, nigga, for sure. You know, I'd rather take it slow, though. Hopping on the photo, right? Traumatized off in this game, but it ain't no disrespect to myself, so it ain't no disrespect to my game. You hear me, man? Better watch where you're walking if you're talking that shit, especially if you're counterfeit. Fuck around and get your wig split, trying to dig shit, but really I ain't no murderer. But hear me when I say, nigga, I ain't never heard of you. Full of that weed, I get the bellin' on the block, doing about 4-5. Taking Nathan from none of y'all, so you know I ain't no jive, nigga. That's my mentality. What? Don't catch no casualty, nigga, cause in reality, what? It's about the salary, nigga. I'm from a town called Fresh, off your motherfucking ass. Steady mobbing to the gun blast, send a thing in my way. See me playing with my AK and smoking on some hay on Valentine's Day. Nigga, huh? Hear me say, well, see me riding cool as Clyde with my thing right by my side. Suggesting y'all put down your pride, cause only player haters die. And ain't no love for the other side, so ain't no way I'ma let it ride. That's why I stay hot till I die. Steady count my fit. Get a nigga nuts to finally got heavy. See me walking with a cowgirl going on down the left to the back of a Chevy. Ready or not, here I come. Can I be the chosen one? Nothing like the Papa done. Clicking out to drop the bomb. Booyah, man. You will hear me say damn. Instead of walking and talking in the silence of the lambs. And I cram to understand with a pistol in hand. In the presence of a killer clan. Trying to figure how a nigga just would kill a man. Maybe cause he ain't feel a man. My niggas got me tripping off this shit they played in my head. Of that infrared nigga crucified on the cross in the land of the lost and resurrected on the day they made me boss in this motherfucker. Steady mobbing cool as Clyde with my thing right by my side, suggesting y'all put down y'all pride, cause only player haters die and ain't no love for the other side, so ain't no way I'ma let it ride. Tryna get it before it's gone. I've been in the Cadillac grown in the morning time. Feeling like the world is mine. Single-handedly on the grind. Tryna stay away from one time. Don't mind, but I got to figure all the years of I pull this trigger. When niggas chasing up like the nuts got bigger. Cause bitches steady howling about judging my nigga. Just born 20 years ago just to pimp hoes. Mama told me how the game goes. And I'm still the same skinny nigga looking for that rainbow. To the top of the world if you ain't afraid. Nigga, let's get paid. Man, holla fuck them all if they bitch made. Switching like a switchblade. Hey now, that's why I don't play now. You'll hear niggas say, huh? Give a fuck about none of y'all. Give a fuck about one time. That's why I stay high till I die and come back again. Through the hearts of men, no longer living in sin. Instead of smoking my weed, sipping on a half pint of gin. With a devilish grin, JD's revenge. In the lap of luxury, it ain't no touching me. Whole bitch, fuck with me. On the day they made me bosses.
How you do that there? Lafayette, Lake Charles. How you do that there? Shreveport, Mississippi. How you do that there? Alabama, Atlanta. How you do that there? Florida, Arkansas. How you do that there?
Can say who that? Say they wanna do that. Run up if you will and get your ass whipped blue black. My nigga, my nerve fresh off the curve. Jelly, John and preserve. Nothing but pause on my word. And the Mossberg pistol grip pump on my lap at all times. Whatever my nigga, cause young niggas still dying. Hollin' about, huh? nigga, what? Huh? Give a fuck, nigga, what? Full of that weed, planted like a poppy seed. A slanted and a chanting happy nigga named Young Bleed Corleone. In the jungle where the murder men mumble for months and days, tripping off the blunts we blaze hell of a high. And telling them why, I'ma never say die. You can see it in my eyes. And niggas say I fly like an ego and see no evil eye. And ain't no sequel, this hit. This year I'm belling in the dope, supernatural. Wicked, y'all niggas don't with me though. But see how they running everything on the cool, but they know I'm finna act a fool in this motherfucker. Niggas holla how you do that there.
From Texas to Kansas, nigga, we don't care.
Niggas holla how you do that there.
Missouri, Ohio, nigga, we don't care.
I hear they holla how you do that there.
DC to Nevada, nigga, we don't care.
And niggas holla how you do that there.
California to Virginia, nigga, we don't care. See, in these streets, anything goes. My cousin in the pen hitting and I ain't getting swole. Send me a letter, say, please get your paper. Don't trust these hoes, these niggas, they'll take it. Hustling just a habit, now I'm bringing cabbage. Popcorn and grits, nigga, trying to get a rabbit. What about it? Nice stallion and sliding. 20-inch bowls with some candy paint to ride. Niggas flip change in the game cause we sold. Eyes hella red cause the nigga blowing dough. Tired of black shoestrings tight on the Reeboks. Red as ski bags, DKY beat the plastic block. Hoes bounce that ass. Niggas get dealt with. Keep your enemies tight, nigga. Never think quick. Hold out some liquor to the homies